Hi, everybody. This is Jean Wells from the Stitching Post. And I don't know if you're aware or not, but we are celebrating our 50th anniversary as a business this year, as well as the 50th anniversary of Sisters Outdoor Quilt Show. I was 32 years old when I started all this stuff. Little did I know that I'd be standing here 50 years later. I mean, it's been kind of a whirlwind, to be perfectly honest. Um, Visiting, revisiting a lot of things that went on, and CNT Publishing asked if we would like to do a book. So here is the book. um, and I pulled together, all the history that I could for it, and we sent out letters to people who've been here over the years, and if they wanted to write us back a story about their experience here, they did, and it's just full of wonderful stuff. Um, as you can see, we have lots of books, and I thought I'd open this up. Um, in the table of contents, it's interesting because we weren't sure how to divide up the story. So we started with the first years, and then kind of that growing period of finding fertile ground, and then becoming today's show. But we spent quite a bit of time also on community, because we couldn't do any of this without community. We wouldn't be a business that we are today, as well as the quilt show. And then focused on some featured quilts, local artists, the Quilters Affair program, which you probably are familiar with through the Stitching Post, and then the show today. Um, and Tula Pink wrote the foreword for us, and it is so beautifully written. I mean, it still makes me kind of tear up. She just did a really beautiful job about how she felt about sisters and um, the quilting community, and um, it's just really special. Then I wanted you to see, here I am at 32 years old, and I was so excited because there was this magazine in the industry called Fabric News. And one day, this man just showed up at the store and said, "Well, I heard about this store, and there aren't any others like you any place that we know of. And so they sent me here to do an article." I didn't know I was the first quilting shop in America, but it turns out I was. And, I wasn't trying to be, I was just doing what I truly love to do. And I'm still doing it. So I just wanted you to know a little bit about our book, and it is available through the Stitching Post. And I think that's it.